Hey guys, CapTAIN Lozer here, and I'm not sure if I'm actually going to do this, but this is a new channel I'm starting called Lozer Rants, or whatever the freak I call it. It's like, as you can see, it's like 3:30 in the morning, because apparently I'm always up in the morning because my schedule is messed up or whatever. But this is just going to be a channel where I just talk, because I'm not sure if I'm going to do a face cam or face reveal anytime soon, because my face is so freaking ugly. You don't want to see this, but yes, I'm trying not to talk too loud because my folks are asleep, or at least trying to sleep because what just happened. But I guess I'll just talk about it to get off my chest, because I recently set up some tweets. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it on the screen, but recently, just not even long, not about like 30 minutes ago. 30 minutes ago, I'm sitting here watching some freaking PewDiePie, whatever, Tobuscus, Jacksepticeye, all them people, TV and Frags, and I'm sitting here, watching them, looking at my tweets, watching some YouTube, when suddenly this massive explosion just goes off down the street. Like literally, and it's the loudest thing I've ever heard. Just fills up the air. I'm not sure if it was an explosion or just something malfunctioning, but oh my gosh. It scared me to pieces. I ran to my parents' room just yelling like it was a freaking terrorist attack. I'm not sure what's going on, but I figure I'd get it off my chest at least and talk about it. I'm not sure if I'm going to make this channel permanent or if I'm even going to post this, but yeah. Most likely it's gonna be morning rants, cause I'm always up like 3 o'clock in the morning, always tired, but I'm always up. And I'm not sure if you guys want to see more of this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna link it somehow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna connect it to my gaming channel, but here we are, just sitting here watching freaking Barney on my TV screen, which is huge. Not that huge, but whatever. And I guess I'll talk some about it. My partnership. That's another thing I need to talk about. My freedom partnership is planning, probably, just hopefully, they're planning to do a sponsorship program. And what they're going to do is they're going to find, they asked us if it will be a good idea to have a sponsored by, stuff like Elgato, Control Freaks, etc., etc., but they needed feedback first. It's something I never get, but yeah, they're thinking on doing something like that. So let me know if that sounds like a good idea. I'll link their channel in their video and probably their partnership website in the description. And this is going to be probably a new channel, something I do in the mornings. My folks are asleep. Well, probably not when they're asleep, but whenever I have something to talk about. And I don't even know. I'm freaking shaking right now, because I'm afraid something's going to happen really close. Well, that's just something I wanted to get off my chest, and I guess I'll see you guys if I continue this channel. Later, guys.